Welcome back, guys. So today we're making pepper chicken stir fry. Let's get started. For the ingredients, we're gonna need 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of chicken seasoning, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with 1 tablespoon of water, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 1 to 1.5 pounds of boneless chicken breast cut into strips, 1 medium onion dice, 1 medium bell pepper cut in strips, 2 small carrot julienne, 2 small cucumber cut in half-inch strips, and 3 to 4 Scotch bonnet peppers cut in thirds. Mix the sugar with the apple cider vinegar and set aside. Go ahead and season your chicken with the chicken seasoning. And set that aside. Heat a medium to large skillet over high heat with the oil. Toss in your chicken and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. Toss in the onion pieces. Toss in the Scotch bonnet peppers. Toss in the carrot strips. Toss in the cucumber strips and the bell peppers. Toss in the soy sauce. Add in the vinegar mixture and your cornstarch mixture and mix well. Okay guys, let's slow down a bit. Now isn't this some good looking meal? Allow the sauce to thicken, then remove from the heat and serve. Serve with noodles, white rice, or fried rice. If you'd like to get the fried rice recipe, there's a link to the video in the description box below this video. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more simple recipes.